Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape, this generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, and if you need to find where the keyless entry fuse is located, guys, you have multiple fuses in different fuse boxes. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So now the keyless entry fuses, where you can expect to find them, guys, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. Fuse boxes are pretty much the same. There might be differences in the fuse amperage, okay, we're going to talk about that, but we'll explain which fuses you need to check for keyless entry. You have 3 different fuse boxes. Today, guys, we will work actually in 2 of them. The first one is in the trunk. Open the trunk, on the right side you have that cover. Just go ahead and remove that cover. Underneath you will find, guys, a fuse box layout that will look like this one. This is the trunk fuse box. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the keyless entry, guys, we'll need to check, okay, 2 different fuses here. Then we need to go to a different fuse box. The first fuse is fuse number 2, that 15 amp fuse. The amperes may be different depending on the year. And fuse number 3 right here. After that, you need to open the passenger door. Look, guys, under the glove box, all the way underneath, look towards the dash, upside down. You see one carpet soft piece that attaches with 2 turning things. Okay, remove those turning things, you will remove the carpet, you get to the interior fuse box. Here you have another fuse that you need to check specifically, and that's fuse number 78. Okay, so 78 will be that fuse number, 78, 5 amp fuse in our case. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.